So, you got yourself an AirTag, it's got a flat battery, you've used it for up to a year. Now, what are you going to do about that? So, what you're going to do is you're going to grab yourself a CR battery. I'll put it on the screen right now. The battery, you can get a pack of like 16 on Amazon like I did for around £15, something like that. I'll put that on the screen too. Yeah, the battery lasts around 8-9 months. Apple say it's up to a year. It's an IP67 water resistant as well, which is actually really nice to know because I didn't know about that, and I dropped my keys in a little puddle of water on the floor, and I just thought, oh, okay, it must be water resistant, otherwise it would have died, but you know. So it's actually a CR2032 coin cell battery. Just taking it out of the casing right now. It's a Belkin holder. You can get that at the link below as well on Amazon. What you do is you put your thumb on it and then you turn to the left, so anti-clockwise, put a bit of pressure on there, turn to the left, and then you can see the it's a Panasonic battery. It's CR2032 battery that comes pre-installed with your AirTag, so at least Apple will give you the actual battery in there. And then the replacement is the same CR battery, coin cell battery. What you do is you line it up, and then I'm actually going to get a microfiber cloth right now and actually wipe that down just to get rid of any fingerprints or anything like that could be on the other side of the battery, to get rid of any interference. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I just choose to, just in case. And then you just place it in like that, and then pop it in, and it should do a couple of beep beep beeps, and then that's what it's recognizing. The new battery goes in. Pop that into the housing of the shell, but before you actually do that, you need to get the top, like I forgot to do, and then pop it back on. So you just put it clockwise, pop the two little things in like that, and then you press down gently and twist to the right, and there you go. It's back on as it should be. All good. Check in your Find My app. It should come up with 100% battery health now. Give it a wipe down before you put it back in, and there you go. That's all for this video, and hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button for more tech videos like this. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.